Hello guys, welcome to our channel, and today's our topic of discussion is how can we give the grades or assign the grades on the basis of Vlookup function or with the help of Vlookup function. So here you can see the criteria is given, like a person who got 90 or 90 plus marks, then we have to allocate him or her A grade, and if the person got 80 or 80 plus, then you have to give the B, then 70 plus C, or 60 plus D, or below that you have to give F grade. And here you can see the data in which the marks is already given, and in the last we have given the percentage. So you just need to put the Vlookup function, and with the help of Vlookup function, the function will automatically set the criteria, and on the basis of that criteria, that function will give the grades. Like a person got 90 plus, then it will be given the A grade. So how can we can use the Vlookup function? We will start it, but before that, it's a humble request to kindly watch the full video and subscribe it, so that we will get the support to upload the more videos regarding to the Excel. And we will start our lecture, and we will start our formula. So how can we put the Vlookup function? You have to just first select the cell in which you want to put the Vlookup function, and in that you have to just first write your equals to, and then we look up and bracket open. And after that, Vlookup function wants you to put the 4 activities, or want to put the 4 tasks, in which the first task is look up a value, which means which value you want to look, or which value I want to look up. Like we want to look up the average or the percentage, and on the basis of that percentage you have to give the grade. So we have to first select the percentage cell, which is G4. Our first task is completed. Now we put the comma, and then it will tell us the second task, which is table array, which means it says from which I extract the data. So we will just give it the whole table, like from which you have, or from which it has to extract the data, then comma. And in the third activity, which is a most important activity, in which we have given the column, and in the column, like if it makes any grade, and it will allocate the grade. So from where it will allocate the grade, it will allocate it from the column number 2. So our column number 2, or our grade is given in the column number 2. So what we have to write, we have to write here 2, because the table in which we have selected the values in which the grade is in the column number 2. So we have to just select the 2, and then we just write here true, and true for the values. Like if you put false, then it means exact value. Like if it got 60, then it will give D grade, or if got 61, then it will not given the D grade. So for giving the grade on 60 or 60 plus, we have to just write here true. So I just repeat the formula, like we just put here equals to Vlookup, then bracket open. First we have to give the cell in which the percentage is given, like our G4 cell. Then we have to select the whole table data. I already selected, and our second task is completed. In the third, we have to just write here true for the column number 2, and in the last we just write here true for exact value. But before pressing the enter, we have to just make it constant, and for making the constant, you have to just write here the dollar symbol, and I just put the dollar symbol here, so that the box will remain constant. Other than that, it will give you the different values. So I just now press here enter, and you will get the A grade, because on the basis of a criteria, if this one got 90 or 90 plus, then it will be given A grade. And then you just don't need to put the formula on each and every cell. You have to just select the cell and drag it down, so it will tell you, and it will give you the grades on the basis of that formula and on the basis of that criteria. So you can see here, if the percentage, or if the student got 60 or 60 plus, he will be given D. And if I just increase the marks, so you can see the percentage will be 73, and on the basis of 70 or 70 plus, the percentage or the person will be allocated C grade. This is how our whole example is completed. If you face any confusion in it, you can write in our comment section, and kindly share and subscribe our channel so that it will give us support. Thank you so much.